Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'll show you how to export UEFN maps using UMap by Minju, hopefully that's how you say it. So what you're going to do is head to his Patreon, which I will link in the description. Once you're there, you want to find the latest version. So right now this is build 12.5. It might be the same for you, it might be not, depending when you watch this video. And you can click on it just to see. So I think this is just to fix some bugs and this update. The download link is the one here. You just want to click that. It should download. Once it's downloaded, what you want to do, cut it, so Control X, or you can copy it wherever. Head to one of your big drives and just paste it here. I already have it here, so. And then once you have it installed, you want to open up Blender 3D. That's the software we're going to use to extract the created maps. Then you go to Edit, Preferences, and then here you want to press Install. Go to the folder which you put the file in. Here we go. You're going to press Install Add-on. Should show up at the top. You just want to press tick. Once you've done that, you want to close Blender, and then you just want to open up Blender again. And then if you press N on your keyboard or click this arrow here, yours will not look the same as mine because I have everything set up because I've used it recently. So game path, you want to put where your packs, for me it's program files, Epic Games, Fortnite game content packs. You just want to find where your Fortnite is installed and put that there. Export path is where you want to export all the models and all the textures and all of that. So find somewhere that you have a lot of storage on your PC. So for me it's this drive here. Mappings path, leave that for now. ASK, leave that for now. Actually, what you can do is click this little drop down arrow and press fill Fortnite ASKs. It should automatically change the ASK up here. If there's one that's not there, it will add a key here. And if your mapping path is empty, you're going to click here and press download mappings for Fortnite. It should, hopefully, there you go, it should go. Mine's already here, but yours should appear. Then these should be fine. You want to make sure that it's on Unreal Engine 5_4 or the latest one. For me this is the latest one. Everything here I think is default, and then what you want to do is actually load up Fortnite itself. But before you load up Fortnite, I recommend going to this location on your PC. So app data, local, Fortnite game saved, persistent downloads, DR direct, game custom install bundles. So when you play a UEFN map, the downloads for the map files will be here. There's literally nothing in here, but like this is all the information is stored. So if I was you, delete them all. And I'll tell you guys, you'll understand why later why we delete all. There's nothing wrong with deleting it. It just has to load up next time you play Fortnite. And now you want to actually open Fortnite. So let's actually open it up now. Alright, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use this map, 1v1 build fight. So let's try it out. Because I know this is a 2.0 map, and I also made this render. Yeah, it's kind of a meme. Anyways, let's play this map. And if you guys see here, now there's information, because this is the map that we're playing. So you should end up seeing maybe your folder here. If the folder doesn't appear, then there's probably a chance that the map's not even a 2.0 app. It's probably made with the old Fortnite. So yeah, we're in now. Everything looks fine. So you literally don't have to stay for too long. I'll probably just walk around, maybe look at some of this stuff. Yeah, that's about it. Then we can just quit. Now let's open up Blender again. N on our keyboard, this one should appear. Maybe everything resets. If I was you, just fill in Fortnite keys, download mappings again. And then if we scroll down, latest version, we see fetch catch the UEFN maps. You want to click on this, hoping that it'll work. But if you do get error sign, you could head to the Discord right out of the UMap's Discord, which he would provide help if he's available. And as you see here, it loaded up. Normally, if you didn't delete all the ones in the folder, there'll be at least like 20,000 different maps, and you won't know which is the one because the names are very unique. Like this map is called Create Map. What kind of name is that? Anyways, you want to click on the map. So I'll select this one and press Use Selected Map. And then your package will automatically fill in by itself. That's a good sign. Now you finally want to hit Import and hope, fingers crossed, it all works. It might take some time depending on your computer and depending on how big the map is. So do not press anything and just wait patiently. And yeah, that was pretty quick. So if we press N again to hide, you can see that this is the map. You might be wondering, oh, why is there some random cubes? What's going on here? So first of all, before we understand what the cubes are, we can't actually select each object. So to fix that, we're going to press F3 on our keyboard and type make instances real. This one, Control A, make instances real. You click on that, and now everything is its own object. You also have all the objects here, so we can just close that. So if you can see here, this cube is a device that they use in Creative, so this is just an audio player, so we don't need that, delete that. These are all devices, so all these devices are useless. The best way to fix the textures is first, let's have a look at them, and then we can see what we can do. So you can see there's about 73 shaders, which is quite a lot. My highest, I think, map was about 1,000 shaders, which really like killed my PC, but anyways. So let's wait for it to load in. As you can see here, these are the player spawn devices. We obviously don't need them for the render, so we delete that. Wait, this is... Oh yes, so as you guys can see, some stuff might be hidden. Just want to be aware of that. Oh, there we go. So as you guys can see, it says for static mesh actor, which means it's a custom model, which means the textures will not be ported. So really, this is actually quite a simple model. It's just a cloud, so just literally make that white. And then this is rain, so we'll literally make that blue. It's like really not that complicated. Like I think the stairs are actually fine. The textures, you could ask a client, whoever the map it is, if they can provide the textures for you. Sometimes you might find that the textures are connected, so like if I change this one, it affects that one. To fix that, so let's say I want the wire to be grey, you want to click on the wire, click on this object, this button here, and now you can change the color separately. So that is an issue that happens a lot, that all the colors are linked together. That's how you fix that issue. Let's hope by the time you watch this video the UMap tool is still working. I hope it helped, and I'll see you guys in another video.